Let's just take a moment and focus on the sophisticated update pattern happening inside our conditional loop. We've touched on the idea and the concept and the practicality of augmented assignment operators already. Here inside the same loop that we're working in, the same if block, we're demonstrating augmented assignment within for loop iterations, which is very common. We're using plus equals to systematically update collections of related value with consistent operations. The key learning moment is this line: entity 4D velocity vel component plus equals random uniform -1 to 1. Here the plus equals operator is working within the loop structure to update multiple dictionary values efficiently. The loop variable vel component becomes a dynamic dictionary key that changes with each iteration, allowing us to update all velocity components systematically. Each iteration updates a different rotational plane with the same rotational speed increment, creating a uniform rotational advancement across all 4D planes. We're creating consistent batch modifications instead of manually writing 6 separate plus equal operations for each rotation plane. We're looping to automatically apply the same increment to every plane, ensuring coherent 4D rotation that mirrors real multidimensional physics. So you've got the shortcut that you have with the augmented operator, and then you've got speeding it up even more by putting it inside the loop. So you're cutting down your code here, and you're cutting down your code here as well to make it cleaner and more efficient. You have less error prone and more consistency going on here.